Right, welcome to the Coates Adventures YouTube channel. Today we're checking out the WA Remote Control Model Aircraft Club. Jaygo can't hold back, he wants to go, so let's go. Well then, so what's that down there?
So that plane down there is a P-47 Warhawk, and that plane right there is a P-51 Mustang.
Wow. Oh. So Jenny just got really excited because this is the first actual time that we've seen kangaroos. No, we're in the back. I know we're watching planes, but they're over in the back. Can you see them? I'll flip the camera on. So our first ever kangaroos, just chilling. Been here almost 4 weeks. First time we've seen kangaroos. So we've been invited into the front to get a better view, which is nice. It's wicked to watch all these. Annoyingly, the last few minutes of footage I've done without sound. I'm still learning. Leave me alone. The biplane's cool, yeah. Look at the biplane. You can do some really cool tricks. This guy's bringing out literally his own air force.
3 of those are like stealth planes.
They do look like stealth planes, don't they? They look wicked.
Not real planes either, like they're proper.
It'd be interesting to see how well they fly.
All of these are 3D printed and he designed it himself. And did you design it himself?
Yeah, I think you might be. Whoa, this thing's mint.
Very quick.
You guys working
I
on it?
guess that's a very good
Trying
thing.
to decide a colour change.
Oh, definitely, otherwise
Can't see it very well in the sky, I reckon.
Yeah,
He's got it going. Oh, he's taking off that way. Don't need to use the wrong way, this guy.
It's bigger than you think.
I think that there.
I think I'm in.
You've probably done it always. Always on the day one. No one ever practiced on
Smooth landing.
We've got official visitor's badge now.
Because
we shouldn't have been here. Well, shouldn't have been where we're sat. Everyone's really nice. We've,
Can't wait for the P-47. P-47 Warhawk.
Jaygo's been anticipating this plane coming out. Got it.
Oh, this was so cool already. Look back. Good landing.
So Jaygo's next favourite plane of the day is coming out. What's coming out now, Jaygo?
P-51 Mustang.
Nice. Got the barrel roll in there, Jaygo. Into a half loop. This guy with his helicopters is real. Don't know if you can see it in the background. It's amazing. It's just unbelievable what he can do with it. Hang on, I can't look at everything all at once. This sky's unbelievable. Look at that! What the hell? Go on, Jaygo, what plane's this one?
Cars Air.
Is this the one you've been waiting for?
The B Pacific, the F4U car, sir.
Thank you. It looks cool with the gull wings. Nice little barrel roll there, buddy. Yeah, bud. I'm gonna go watch this guy again because he's got a bigger helicopter out now. He's only gone on the front end. Look at that.
Bounced and then wing hit, flipped over and like that.
Look at it. This guy's amazing.
Stops instantly.
So we've just come for some dinner. Having a picnic in the car. Mainly because we've got magpies out the car who are desperate to get food. To a point where they're on my bonnet. It's like, He's like, give me food, give me food. But while we've just had our dinner, over at the other side from the planes is there, over the other side there's some like remote control racing going on.
Buggies.
So some buggies. So we're gonna go check that out. This looks wicked. Oh, we got one that's flipped. Look at them doing little jumps.
I don't want to watch one of these jumps.
Whoa! Oh, whoa, that was a crash out. We got that one. Well, he's going to cancel that lap time probably.
$78.89. 29.70.
Whoa, these are cool.
He's laughing at this guy.
Microphone cover.
Yeah.
After that, there's the car. To go over this.
40.92. 37.70. 41.40. 43.20. 36.
Well, that was cool. So they've just prepped the track again by spraying it down to reduce dust and stuff. But they're prepping it for a 5-hour race. Don't even do F1 races for 5 hours. But that was wicked. It was so fun. Stuff.
The Corsair is still the coolest.
With its wings for. Oh, what a change. Nice. These guys have got some skills.
Aww.
So this is wicked. They've got a RC simulator in the cafe.
I landed but went off the runway.
And Jaygo's having loads of fun. Right, you're flying a P51 Mustang. Go for it. God, you want to be a pilot? Oh dear. Oh dear. Good thing you got a reset button, right?
Yeah.
Well, that was a fun day.
Yes, it was.
Have you had a great time, mate?
Yeah!
What was your favourite thing today?
Simulator.
So we've just been on the simulator. Well, Jaygo's been on the simulator, an RC simulator, and he's absolutely loved it. It's been a brilliant day. The guys are really friendly, giving us a lot of info about all the planes and stuff. It's wicked. Really cool place, and we'll probably end up coming back at some point. Recommend anyone else coming to check it out as well. So we just made it back in time. Nice steady drizzle outside again. But we've had a midday. We've stopped off for some fish and chips on the way back because we haven't really had fish and chips yet since we got here. We went to the Great British Chippy. It's pretty decent. But yeah, we're tired. We're going to have a bit of a rest now. So we'll see you tomorrow. All right, good morning. We've had a nice rest and we're on to our next little adventure of the weekend. It's a surprise though, so we haven't told Jaygo. He's itching to find out what it is, but you'll find out soon enough. Let's get going.
Submarine Spitfire. So it's an MKVI.
Mach 4 or Mach 6? VI is Mark 6, buddy.
Yeah, 6.
Alright, so we've got to our destination. Where are we, Jaygo?
I don't know.
Well, what did you see on the sign? What did it say?
Is it Aviation Heritage Museum?
That's right, Aviation Heritage Museum. However, it's very busy.
Yeah.
But that's because we've come on a day when it's free. So I'm not surprised. But we've had to park a couple of minutes away, so we're walking up to it. We spotted these two guys in the tree. That hole right there is their nest. One of them just came out of it.
And one is poo.
It's a Catalina seaplane. What is that? Is that Hawk Hurricane? Well done. That's spotted, man.
This is Western Australia's very first aircraft.
Well, it came from England recently.
No, it's for like the guy that helped build it.
Oh wow. Jaygo's been desperate to see a Lancaster up front. Look at his face! The best laugh is, mate, we've seen this flying with its Bombay doors open.
Not this is that one.
Not this one, no, but it's one of a very rare sets is this one. But flying them all.
Two that fly in the world. There's one in England and one in Canada. It's in Dakota, that is.
Well spotted, man. So he's showing you the dam busters, look. How I used to do the bouncing bomb. Smash the dams. What does it look like inside, kid?
Is that what I thought it was?
Well, it's a bit basic, isn't it?
Look at the machine gun. Look at the machine gun.
Oh wow, yeah, look at that.
The bullets
It's feeding all the bullets to it. Cool. So we're in a Dakota. It's Detroit. And we're just getting up to the cockpit of the
When I went with
What's this one? Can you remember this one, Jigs? Come on, we've seen one of these flying.
Vampire.
That's the one! So the Vampire was the first official jet used by the Royal Australian Air Force. That is a trainer model behind us. So there's a couple of guys sat around all the planes and they're doing little sketches. It's wicked. This guy up there was doing a right nice little sketch of the planes and stuff. Yeah. It's nice to see people do it now. Jaygo wants me. He is impressing me with his knowledge of planes today. Is that what's above us?
Yeah.
What plane is it? An English electric Canberra.
Came by a record now.
They actually flew.
So is that Edinburgh, Scotland, or is it Edinburgh? I'd say it's Edinburgh. Yeah, they do. Yeah. Literally nearly everywhere is named after a British town or city around each end. Good old Spitfire. Wow. That's a wicked helicopter. Basically showing you how a distributor works to fire the engine. That's clever. That was this. Nice little visit to the Aviation Museum. Jaygo, have you had a good time?
Yes.
What did you enjoy the most about it?
Probably seeing the Lancaster.
That was pretty cool. We haven't seen one on the ground, have we, really?
No.
We've only seen it flying.
Mhm.
Yeah, well, that's amazing to see it flying. You've got your cool little souvenirs. Got some souvenirs. Got a quick build. Oh, sorry. Tell them what it is, bud.
A quick build, an Airfix quick build, a D-Day P51D Mustang.
Nice. What else did you get?
I got this cool little Spitfire badge.
Yeah.
Don't know if the camera can see.
So I'll show. Yeah, we can go up the horse. And what else?
And then I got this cool Australian Warbirds badge.
Warbirds badge. I'll show that as well. And that's so he can sew it onto his flight suit later on. Really good morning. Don't need to spend loads of time there. We've been there a couple of hours and that was plenty to get around it all. It was great. They had a sausage sizzle on, but we didn't get one. But I really want one now. I'm starving. So we're now going to try and find somewhere to eat. And yeah, look at Jaygo nodding his head in the background. He's hungry too. So we've just had some lunch. We're now just in Kings Park, just letting Jaygo have a play. He's on a massive climbing for it at the moment. Having loads of fun. I think this is going to be a returning visit to Kings Park because the weather's not a great today and it's one for a good day, so we'll be back. You want me to come up with you? Yeah!
Ow!
Bouncy, bouncy.
I hit my head.
Well, we're going right up. We don't have ambulance cover yet, so I'm not allowed to climb. I'll take the risk. Over the top! Where's Jaygo? There he is! He's right at the bottom!
I can't get any.
You can get higher! Come on, you can do it! Right, now I've got to get back down. I'm going to spin back round that way.
Still do not trust you.
He doesn't trust me. Why not?
But you look like you're about to
I'm hanging off the edge! Want a big jump off?
Wait. Mission accomplished.
Alright guys, we're back home now. We've had a great weekend. Jaygo, you had a good weekend?
Yeah.
Nice. It's been a bit of an aviation filled weekend. It's been brilliant. Hope you guys have enjoyed it, like we have, and we'll catch you on the next one. Alright? Well, saluting. Bye.